Once upon a time, in a remote village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a venerable Zen master named Hiroshi. His reputation transcended boundaries, for he was celebrated far and wide for his profound wisdom and serene presence. Travelers journeyed from distant lands to seek his guidance, yearning to unlock the secrets of a harmonious and purposeful life. The villagers often wondered what lay at the heart of the profound respect and admiration accorded to Zen Master Hiroshi. Little did they know that his secret lay in 10 remarkable habits. Here are those habits that rendered him the epitome of respect and reverence. 1. Mindful presence. Zen Master Hiroshi practiced mindful presence in every facet of his life. Whether engaged in a conversation or partaking in the most mundane tasks, he bestowed his full attention, exuding profound respect for all those he encountered. 2. Deep listening. The master possessed the rare gift of deep listening. He not only heard words, but discerned the unspoken emotions and sentiments beneath them. This extraordinary ability fostered an atmosphere of genuine understanding and empathy. 3. Humble demeanor. Despite his immense wisdom and accomplishments, Zen Master Hiroshi remained profoundly humble. He never sought accolades or the spotlight, treating each individual with a sincere humility that recognized the inherent worth in all. 4. Compassionate heart. Compassion served as the guiding principle of the master's life. He extended kindness to all living beings, irrespective of their backgrounds. His compassion was not merely words, but was embodied in tangible acts of assistance and support. 5. Freedom from judgment. Zen Master Hiroshi refrained from passing judgment on others. He understood that each person bore their unique journey and struggles. Rather than criticize or condemn, he offered acceptance and understanding, nurturing an environment devoid of judgment. 6. Patience as a virtue. Patience was the cornerstone of the master's existence. He comprehended that authentic transformation and growth required time, and he approached life with a tranquil and patient demeanor. He shared the wisdom of cultivating patience with others. 7. Gratitude in abundance. The Zen master practiced gratitude for even the simplest of blessings. He encouraged others to find beauty in the small moments of life and to revel in the gift of existence. His gratitude radiated a contagious sense of joy to all who knew him. 8. Unshakable integrity. Zen Master Hiroshi exemplified integrity in every aspect of his life. His actions consistently aligned with his deeply held values and principles. People revered him because they knew they could trust his words and rely on his character. 9. Journey of self-reflection. The master engaged in regular self-reflection, meticulously examining his thoughts, actions, and beliefs, constantly seeking personal growth. Through his commitment to self-awareness, he inspired others to embark on their own introspective journeys. 10. Benevolent generosity. Generosity was woven into the very fabric of the master's life. He generously shared his wisdom, time, and resources with those in need. His acts of kindness created a sense of abundance and interconnectedness among all who had the privilege of knowing him.